How to hide a game on your account on Steam PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide any game you want on Steam. All what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing, go to Steam. This is the home page. Now click on the game that you want to hide. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. It's called VR Chat. I'm gonna click on it, and now all what you have to do is just click here on this little gear option, and then click on manage and click on hide this game, and the game it's gonna be hidden. As you can see, let's go to the library. It's hidden. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.